Hey everyone, it's the Blazer King with King's Critiques, as well as the Marin plushie, because I'm like a kid with a stuffed animal with this thing. If you haven't seen the episode Chainsaw Man, by the time you see this upload, do go ahead and blow me up alongside, list my comments as it goes along, or leave me a link in the background, let me get the watch time, because that'd be much appreciated, as would be a like and subscribe button, because as you know, not as many people turn on the content are subscribed as they could be. Let's get into it. That is fine by me. I don't know what she says, that sounds kind of kinky personally, but well, that's fucked up. I don't like that look on things. But she's hot, so long as she doesn't actually kill dogs. I, yeah, he's like, shit, she's not completely wrong. I mean, he's not dead, he's still in you. So you can still see him internally, and, well, I guess to cuddle, you have her now. Lit. Like, her attitude is questionable, but, like, off the bat, she's nice. Can't say much otherwise, but that, yeah. Like, here's the thing, if we're going off just looks, I, I honestly, why do I forget the girl's name from the other show? We just watched it yesterday. Whatever, you know the one I'm talking about. She's hot, yours hot, but I really am gonna say that those top 10 polls that get ran, Makima might actually hit number one without much issue. I mean, maybe she'll only float in the top three, but there's a lot of likable things about her. She might turn into a complete reg. I haven't read the manga. But, like, attractiveness wise and general attitude, I mean, obviously, there's. She's not gonna even come close to waifu of the year, because, And yes, I will openly admit part of the reason I got this thing was to do that. But really, we talked about the holy trinity of anime companies a few, or well, production companies a few times, and like I'm still gonna go with Mappa, just so high tier. Boops. Equivalent exchange. He'll be fine. Right in front of you, bro. Eat up, it'll probably help your situation. Take the chance. Well, to be fair, he hasn't really gotten real food in a very long time. So, like, even soggy noodles are good noodles. Too hopeful. Okay, really, is he like? Come on, even if she's fucking with him, that is like too oblivious for somebody. Like, seriously, if somebody said something cheeky like that to me, I would probably catch on quicker. Come on, fam. Dude, that's me. Yes, yes, it is. And until she admits she's fucking with you, take advantage of it. I mean, hey, she's hot and mostly nice off bat. I mean, hey, maybe. Maybe. I don't blame you, fam. It's probably also the spiffiest steaks he's ever had. Meanwhile, she's amused. I wonder if he gets a bit jealous of that. Because, I mean, again, until further notice, I'm gonna keep saying she's fucking with him, but not gonna answer. Okay, no, really though, what's with the stupid fucking ponytail? Like, there's a lot of stupid ways to wear your hair, the man bun being one of those. But what is with that? Like, normal ponytails are just, on the back of your head. This one's just right here where the hair normally parts. Like, does he have a nasty bald spot he's trying to cover up? Because that's a really dumb looking fucking thing. Damn. Sucker punched. Oh, and now he's beating the shit out of him. Rude. He can kill you and make it look like an accident. But again, it's either do this or they'll kill him. So this is the better option, theoretically. Especially if it means fucking simping over Makima like that. Plus, he's already died once, so he's not even gonna admit the real reason. Yeah, that's not really gonna look good when he shows back up. Good. Damn. I mean, hey. I'm gonna give it to Denji for doing the one thing he needed to do to get revenge for the guy kicking his ass. Because, I mean, if you don't stand a chance in a normal fight, take your shots while you can. Why not? He really is just balls or nothing. Yeah, sends you down real quick, doesn't it? And she's just like, what just happened? By the nut devil! Oh, I can't even with this guy. I'm sorry if that spiked the audio. I've been trying to turn it down to see if that would help, but the way he put that. That's wonderful. No. What Why? We don't even like each other. It means you will be murdered. She already told you that when you first joined with her. Aww. Okay, but again, he's getting a better life now than he ever did. And he has at least a small iota of a chance with a really hot girl. So, I mean, there is no losing except for the death part. And he's already died once. So, never said that was the case. He just asked. Again? He's just like, wait, again? Okay, see, now, a couple of those flavors I could see combining. And, well, yes, even though it's a total mess, that actually doesn't look too bad, because hashtag anime food. But, what the hell? Uh, I just had a thought that there could be totally one of those things in Chainsaw Man I want to eat, even on episode 2. Amazing. And he's just like, you made such a fucking mess for one piece of toast. I wonder if he's doing this just to piss the guy off. I wouldn't blame him if he was, but still. As long as he needs to be. Oh god, I can only imagine what kind of terrifying thing is in the toilet. And don't be that guy who leaves the toilet paper thing empty. Like, if you throw the tube somewhere other than the garbage, sure, whatever, because you're taking a shit and you're replacing it in a hurry, but don't be that guy. No. Yeah, I mean, you're not a fiend. You had Ponchita actually fuse into you. Oh, poor bird. Didn't need to. My God. I don't know if that was a motorcyclist, but that's the one thing I like Winter Force, because there's significantly less of that. Hey, he still killed the thing. He just didn't do it how you wanted it to, because that would have been way more dramatic than it needed to be, honestly. I mean, Ponchito was kind of his best friend. Ponchito was a devil. I mean, you gotta show respect for that. He's dead. What the fuck does he care? Plus, if you're trying to simp after Makima, then why do you need porn? Yeah, honestly, that last thing is one of those things I'm missing. Because I eat pretty good food. I have the availability to bathe every day. I have not the best job in the world, but I've I've made money off from my job, so same. So like, but now it's a real dream that's achievable since you have a hot boss who's willing to get close to you. I like how it's not even actually shown. There's just the thought process of titties. Did he just speak out of turn? Please tell me his partner is power, just to emphasize that whole boob dream. Because that would be the best kind of thing. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, hold on. That's a bit hypocritical. Like you just told him before that you're technically a fiend when you transform. So that's a little hypocritical, fam. Oh, wait. There you go. She's a bit eccentric, isn't she? I love her attitude. Don't eat the cat power. Honestly, I could say you're probably more likely to get your hands on Power's boobs than Makima's, honestly. And they'll make a sour face and leave you alone. Accurate. I mean, yeah, I could see that, honestly. Her name's Power, not Crazy. She is crazy, but that's not her name. The game is afoot. Yeah, you got backup. It's dead. You're fine. I like her. Oh, end of the episode. Uh, all the girls in this are fucking crazy so far, and I love it because they're hot. That was amusing. Alright, so like obviously though high key Makima is kind of the main waifu of the show so far. Power is exceedingly hot though otherwise. Oh, that's the regular pillow. So between the two of them, who's your favorite so far? What do you think of the show so far as how it's being animated compared to the manga if you're a manga reader, or just the plotline and show so far if you haven't read the manga like me? Because I've heard little bits of things involving the storyline, but not a lot, so, seeing it as it's going is a really cool feeling, and it's a good show so far. I mean, yeah, it sucks that he'd be stuck with that asshole on day one, but he got what was coming to him, that's for sure. Uh, I can't wait to see next week because this has already proved to be relatively amusing and entertaining in other ways as well. Let me know of any other shows, movies, etc. I should watch this season, next season, or in general. I totally didn't trip over my tongue. Nope, not at all. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my main channel in the description down below, ring both bells like Facebook, Twitter to keep updated with things. TikTok, I'll upload videos under 10 minutes. Twitch, subscribe there for benefits. All the subscriptions help out immensely. You can do so Twitch Prime for free over there, because I'm pretty sure I didn't say that part. Over here, I'm 150 from partner, as well as I need a ton of watch time, so don't forget to check out the playlist right there. And the video recommended here. Until next time, been the Blazer King with King's Critique. Sign out. Top down for now. Peace.